So in this problem given that the sequence n equal to 1 plus minus 1 to the power n into 1 by n whole to the power n, then given that a is limit supremum a n equal to limit infimum a n equal to 1, and this is limit supremum a n, infimum is e, and this is given equal to 1 by e, and in the option B limit supremum a n equal to e and limit infimum a n equal to 1 by e. So to solve, let us take first n is even. So whenever n is even, then minus 1 to the power n will be plus 1. So then n will become 1 plus 1 by n to the power n, and this will imply that limit n tends to infinity a n, that is limit n tends to infinity 1 plus 1 by n to the power n. So we know this known limit, so which is equal to e, and if n is even odd, then we get this will be minus 1. So therefore limit n tends to infinity a n will be 1 minus 1 by n to the power n. So this can be written as limit minus n tends to infinity and 1 plus 1 by minus n to the power minus n, and this whole to the power minus 1. Or you can put just minus n tends minus n equal to t, then from this we get the similar result but to the power minus 1. Therefore from this we get this will be e to the power minus 1, that is 1 by e. As e, range of e is 2 less than e less than 3, so 1 by e will be less than e. So therefore e will be the supremum value and 1 by e is the infimum value. So that this is correct. Supremum value e and infimum value 1 by e. So option D is correct. So if you like it, please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. It will help you in your upcoming NET exam. So thank you very much.